In a society where the word fat often conjures up negative connotations, it's vital to discern the substantial distinction between healthy and unhealthy fats in our diet. Healthy fats are an indispensable component of our organism, playing a pivotal role in maintaining several bodily functions. Unlike their detrimental counterparts, these fats are not only beneficial, they are essential. Healthy fats are primarily known for their profound impact on brain function. The human brain, intriguingly composed of nearly 60% fat, relies on these nutrient-rich substances to operate optimally. These fats form a crucial part of nerve cells, enabling a myriad of communication between neurons. Essential fatty acids, such as omega-3 and omega-6, improve brain function and have been linked to enhancing mood, memory, and overall cognitive abilities. In addition to supporting brain health, healthy fats are vital for hormone production. Hormones, the body's chemical messengers, are synthesized from fats in the body. Without these fats, hormonal imbalances can arise, potentially affecting mood, metabolism, and reproductive health. Thus, incorporating healthy fats into one's diet is necessary for the synthesis of balanced and efficiently functioning hormones. Moreover, these fats aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamins A, D, E, and K require fat for their proper absorption in the intestines. Without sufficient fat, even a diet rich in these vitamins can lead to deficiencies, impacting vision, bone health, and the immune system. When it comes to selecting healthy fats, choices abound. Avocados, rich in monounsaturated fat, are a creamy and versatile option. Nuts and seeds, brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, provide a satisfying crunch. The golden hues of olive oil lend not only flavor but also a heart-healthy elixir to salads and cooked dishes alike. Additionally, including fatty fish, such as smoked salmon, can supply the body with essential omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA and EPA, which are paramount for cognitive health. In conclusion, embracing healthy fats in one's diet can result in better brain health, balanced hormones, and improved vitamin absorption. These nutritional powerhouses are not foes but allies in our journey to achieving optimal health and well-being. So, next time you choose your meal, do not shy away from those healthy fats. Indulge in them, knowing they are nourishing your body in the most profound way.